here we have a lot of broken posts throughout the fence. Line the fence, actually, there are over 80 posts. And what we did was we're just replacing the ones that were broken. And as they break off in the future, we'll be back repairing more. So, see, we have our hole dug. We're going to actually put some dirt in the bottom, tamp it down, and then level, make sure we're at the same height throughout. As you can see, there are several areas where this has had to occur. Come on down, you can take a look at our first post. This is the first one that has been done, and you can see we've already got our base covered. So we're both level in two directions. We're really solid here. It's probably the most solid post on the line itself, and then you'll be able to see the rest of them when we get done. So you'll see our process. Dig out the post hole. What we'll do is fill the bottom to the height necessary, which will bring the actual post to a standing point upwards. And then we will tamp, fill a portion of the cavity with high density concrete, and tamp again. And the final tamping will happen once we actually fill with the last layer of dirt. So we'll do that at all 7 posts, and we'll be as good as done. Again, Gary Barnes, Creative Hands Home Services, 301-736-0061 is our office number. admin@creativehandsforyou.com is our email address, and our website, www.creativehands4u.com. We look forward to making you a customer in the near future.